Students, so now we have reached at the last topic of the chapter, that is kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. Okay, so now Dr. Rakhi Goyal, PGT Chemistry, Kendriya Vidyalaya, AFS Ojhar, now starting the last topic of the chapter. This is our NCERT book, a view, and this is the cycle of. Now, students, come at the end of the chapter. In this, the first topic that is included, heat from the sun. You know very well, earlier we have discussed the sun is the most important and the major source of energy on the earth. Okay, so you can feel the sun warm your skin on a sunny day. When a sunny day is there and you are moving out from your home, then you will feel the sun is warming your skin. You will feel warm. Okay, this is because the energy causes the particles in your skin to move faster. That means you are gaining more heat energy from the sun. So we are now at the end topic, last topic of the chapter. Okay, in this a statement is given that dark colored surfaces absorb more heat than light colored surfaces. ये कहता है कि जो डार्क कलर के सरफेस हैं वो ज्यादा हीट को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं और जो लाइट कलर के सरफेस हैं वो कम हीट को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. सो इसको प्रूव करने के लिए नाउ लेट्स कंसीडर एन एक्टिविटी. In this activity, we are taking two tin cans, okay, of the same size. We are taking two tin cans, okay, two cans which are made up of tin. Tin is a metal, okay, but these are in same size. Now paint the outer surface of one black and the other is white. You can see in this picture here these are two containers painted as white. This is black and this is white. Okay, now pour equal amounts of water. इसमें हमने दोनों में equal amount of water डाल दिया है and leave them in sunlight. Now we are putting these containers in the sunlight. Okay, mention it, students. This is the first case and we are considering here pots are kept in sunlight for about 1 hour. Okay, so just leave the pots. Now measure the temperature of water in both the canes. The water in the black cane, what you will observe, if you are putting both the containers in sunlight, then the water in the black cane is warmer than the water in the white cane. Okay, so what can we conclude? By this experiment, we are concluding that जो black cane है उसने क्या किया है, ज्यादा हीट को एब्जॉर्ब किया है. ओके, और जो लाइटर है यानी कि व्हाइट है उसने कम हीट को एब्जॉर्ब किया है. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड फेज ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट, डार्क कलर्ड सरफेसेस रेडिएट. पहले हमने क्या टर्म यूज की थी, एब्जॉर्ब, और अभी हम क्या टर्म यूज कर रहे हैं, रेडिएट मोर हीट देन लाइट कलर्ड सरफेसेस. Now again take two tin cans of the same size. Now again paint the outer surface of one black and the other white. Pour again equal amount of hot water of the same temperature. पहले हमने कहाँ रखा था उसको, sunlight में, और अभी हम कहाँ रख रहे हैं उसको, रूम और शेड में. Now in the second case put the containers in the room or shade for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now measure the temperature in this case of water in both the canes. What you will observe? You will observe the water in the black cane is cooler than the water in the white cane. यानी कि black cane का पानी जल्दी गर्म भी हुआ और जल्दी ठंडा हुआ. जल्दी गर्म क्यों हुआ, क्योंकि dark colored surface absorb more heat. But ये जल्दी ठंडा क्यों हुआ, क्योंकि dark colored surface radiate more heat. Okay, clear? Now come to the next, that is kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. Dark colored surfaces absorb more heat. अभी हमने देखा, just now we had seen in this activity. And light colored surfaces than the light colored surfaces. And dark colored surfaces radiate more heat. Okay, students, just pay attention here. Dark colored surfaces absorb more heat and dark colored surfaces radiate also more heat. Okay, देखिए, see here I have highlighted this. Dark colored clothes in winter. Why we wear dark colored clothes in winter? Because it absorbs more heat. क्योंकि हमें in winters we want to be warm. हमें गर्म रहना होगा and keep us warm. And we wear light colored clothes in summer seasons. Why? Because it reflects most. Most of the heat is reflected by the light color and it keeps us cool. Okay, so we wear woolen clothes in winter because wool is a poor conductor of heat. Okay, wool is a poor conductor of heat. So we are wearing woolen clothes and the air in between the wool fibers prevents loss of heat from our body. So we feel warm. Exactly what is happening with the winter wear. Winter wear में क्या हो रहा है कि like if I am wearing a shirt, now on the shirt I am wearing a sweater. तो स्वेटर और शर्ट के बीच में एक लेयर बन गई और लेयर में उस लेयर में कौन चला जाएगा, खाली जगह में एयर चली जाएगी. नाउ वी नो एयर इज एन इंसुलेटर. एयर इंसुलेटर है, हमारी बॉडी की हीट को वो बाहर नहीं जाने देगी. दैट मीन्स जो आपका विंटर वियर है वो आपके लिए एक शील्ड, आपके लिए प्रोटेक्शन शील्ड का काम करेगा और आपकी बॉडी की हीट को बाहर नहीं जाने देगा. सो वुलन क्लोथ्स इज प्रोटेक्टिंग फ्रॉम कोल्ड एनवायरमेंट. ओके, हमारी बॉडी की हीट को बाहर नहीं जाने देगा. सो वी फील वार्म व्हेन वी आर वेयरिंग अ स्वेटर. एंड इन द लास्ट, actually I want to take a question, picture question. In this picture you can see, take a sheet of paper. Now draw a spiral. Okay, you can see in this picture how paper is spiraled. On it as shown in the figure below, cut out the paper along the line. Suspend the paper as shown in figure above a lighted candle. Observe what happens. Write explanation. हमने क्या किया है, एक पेपर के स्पाइरल बनाया है एंड वी आर attaching it with a you can say stick. Okay, and now put this on the flame. अब हमने फ्लेम पे रखा हो लेकिन इसको लगातार मूव करा रहे हैं. So what will happen? The result is the paper spiral keeps moving. जब पेपर स्पाइरल लगातार घूमेगा, because the hot air above the flame moves up due to convection. क्या होगा, कन्वेक्शन के कारण जो हीट ऊपर आ रही है उससे ये लगातार मूव करता रहेगा. So now this is all about the chapter heat.